Hi there. This is a Netgear Nighthawk R8500. I think this thing got released around 2015. Anyway, these are problematic, and I bought a bunch of these to fix, and they sure did need fixing. Anyway, this is how to take it apart. So here's the typical router, R8500 Netgear. You want to turn it over and remove 6 screws with a Torx bit. So here's the correct Torx I have for it, which works fine. Okay, so with this Torx, first of all, take off the rubber foot there, off. There are 6 Torx screws. Take out that one. Take out that one. Take out this one in the middle, this one in the middle, this one on the foot, and this one. There are hooks up here, so this thing will just slide, which is nice. It doesn't snap, it slides. So just slide it off. And with one hand, can I do it? Probably not. Let's just try and bounce it. Okay, yeah, there it comes. With one hand, you can't do a damn thing. Okay, so put the phone down. I guess this is not one of those videos that's prepared well, sorry. There we go, phone is down. Field of vision, I hope it's capturing it. Anyway, I'm gonna push on this. I'm pushing and it comes off. Okay, yeah, so it already has come off. You can see there's a little gap here, so just pick it up, pull off the bottom. Looks like this side is stuck, so push it. It's funny because this came off really easy last night. Push it again, not coming off. There it comes. Don't yank it, just push it. And make sure this little door is up. Okay, there it comes. So it's not the best to get off, but there it is. Okay, so it's finally off. So now you can get the motherboard out, just lift it out. And all the antennas are connected here. So I've taken off all the antennas already. You can take the antennas off by, well, first of all, take all the wires off. If you just want to get them all antennas off, take the wires off, lift the motherboard out. There it is, motherboard's out. This thing is built like a tank. Look at the heatsink. It's freaking impressive. This thing could probably run Windows on it. It's so powerful, I bet. Windows ARM. All right, that's the motherboard. Anyway, the antennas are all labeled here. I'm not sure. I think it means like there's a gray wire and a black wire, so they go on like that, I think. Antenna 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the other color. And that's about it. The I guess the 2.5 antennas are no. I guess these are. I'm not sure why these antennas are here. If those are 2.4, or they're probably 5 gigs. They're small. The antennas themselves have 2 wires on them. Anyway. Okay, so that's that. To get the antennas out of this thing, because they tend to break, people break them. I've taken them out already, but they clip in. So the antennas basically are held by these little rotary things here. And so what you want to do is, these are actually inserted in here through this hole. And you have to get take off the antenna part first. So yank out the antenna. The antenna will have its wires through the center of this piece. So you want to take the antenna wires out of the center of this piece. Okay, so the piece will be in like this. The antenna wires are going in through here, out the other end. you want to simply then compress this thing with some needle nose pliers. So compress those two tabs there with pliers and yank, and it comes out. Now, it doesn't like to come out, but it comes out. So you might want to get a few of these. So why am I scrapping this thing? Well, I'm not sure I want to put a J-tag on this thing. And it's got boot problems. So I bought 8 of these. I got 4 of them to work, kind of. And these other 4, I'm just pulling off antennas because most of them had antenna problems anyway. So I just want to get a whole stockpile of antennas that I can fix the others with. Anyway, that's about it on this. That's how it comes apart. And putting it together is the same way. You just put the motherboard back in, and this thing is a little tough to get back in. You gotta fit it right. So you can tell that these buttons here on the motherboard go to these buttons right here. So you drop it in like that. And then you gotta kind of massage it. All little areas need to be massaged so it fits. And then the cover just snaps back on. And put the 6 screws in and you're set. So that's it. I'm sorry this isn't a great video because I wasn't prepped for it, but hey, it's a video. There's no other disassembly video of a Nighthawk that I found, a R8500 on YouTube. So this is it, people. And that's how to do it. So what kind of chips are this thing anyway? Are they labeled? Heatsink, heatsink. What kind of chips are in this turkey? I guess we can't tell. Unless we took it apart. Okay, look, there's the, there's the J tag right there. I'm thinking. So that, I think I'm going to hang on to these. That would be interesting to see what's wrong with these things, to fire it up in CME mode and see what I can do with it. So yeah, so that's the J tag right there. Maybe I'll hang on to these damn things. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.